Blinking lights on your StarTech docking station are not random. They're actually communicating important information about power and connection status. Understanding these patterns is essential for quick troubleshooting. Power LED indicators are your first diagnostic tool. A solid blue or green light means everything is working normally. Your docking station has adequate power and is functioning correctly. A blinking blue or green light indicates power negotiation issues. This usually means the docking station isn't receiving sufficient power from your laptop or power adapter. A blinking red or orange light signals serious problems, power faults, overheating, or hardware malfunctions that require immediate attention. Display and connection LEDs tell you about device communication. Rapid blinking indicates the docking station is detecting devices or performing handshake processes. This is normal during initial connection. Slow blinking suggests a partial connection or compatibility issue. The docking station recognizes something is connected, but can't establish full communication. Alternating colors indicate multiple device connection attempts. This happens when the docking station is trying to connect to several devices simultaneously or resolve connection conflicts. Understanding these LED patterns gives you immediate insight into your docking station's status. Solid lights generally mean normal operation, while any blinking pattern indicates something needs your attention, whether it's power, connections, or compatibility issues. The first step in troubleshooting blinking lights is checking power delivery. Most modern docking stations require between 65 and 180 watts of power to function properly. Check your power adapter specifications carefully. Verify that your USB-C or Thunderbolt cable is in good condition and fully compatible with power delivery standards. For display-related blinking lights, start by checking all cable connections and ensuring compatibility. Verify that you're not exceeding the maximum resolution and refresh rate limits of your setup. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, use software diagnostic tools. Device Manager can show power delivery status, while USB Tree Viewer reveals the connection hierarchy and helps identify communication problems. For advanced troubleshooting, hardware testing tools provide precise measurements. A USB-C power meter can accurately measure power delivery, while cable testers verify specification compliance. Industry experts have identified key patterns in docking station failures. 70% of all docking station issues stem from inadequate power delivery understanding, while proper cable selection can resolve 60% of blinking light problems.